Corporate lawyers, don't get stuck in a maze of documents. Let AI File Pro help you conquer the maze. Using advanced AI, it analyzes your documents to suggest optimal folder structures and file names. While scanning the documents, it recognizes key metadata like company names and merger terms, then places the document into a relevant, content-based folder with a descriptive name that reflects its contents. After your documents are logically sorted, finding, let's say, an Apex Dynamics board resolution will be up to 50% faster than before. And with the search feature, every piece of data you need is just a query away. Need specific case details? They're instantly accessible. The system quickly presents the data, along with direct links to the related documents. But the search feature goes far beyond basic search. The AI can summarize cases, compare multiple files, or answer complex queries across your data, all in seconds. AI File Pro, bringing clarity, speed, and intelligence to every case file you manage.